I got the little fire going in the basement hovel. It's getting towards January. It's almost Christmas time. And it gets real cold this time of year. I like to have little fires in the basement because it gets so cold and it gets so dark so early. You can't do much. But this is a little Atlanta Stove Works antique stove. This is a real antique. It's not a fake out. It's a Franklin. Well, it's like a Franklin. It's labeled Franklin, but it's not a true one of those cruddy old Franklin fake fireplaces, but this one's much smaller. So I get the little fire going, and I like it because you can pull the front off, and you got a little fireplace, which is really neat, and it's got a little grate in it. Nothing like a wood fire. So this one's got the two burners on the top, and then this little door that opens on the front here. You could drop wood in if you wanted to. Boy, that's a nice little fire in there. Look at that. That is like picture perfect. Look at that. Nothing like that. The guy even put a little clip ring on there. I bought this little stove. It was on the side of the road. I think the guy wanted 80 or 90 bucks for it, and he had it all painted up and everything. And this isn't a modern stove made to look old. This is actually a real antique, but had the original grate. I mean, I suppose you could burn coal in it. I've tried, but it's not a shaker grate. It's just a fireplace grate, so it's tough to get it to actually burn properly. Anyone that's burned coal will tell you. It's been my experience. I've burned some coal, that the bigger the firebox, the easier it is to get going and burn. If you have a small firebox, it seems to be difficult to get it going. And that's just been my experience. I used to have a little potbelly coal stove that I burned coal in once in a while down here. But yeah, just got the old little stove going. That time of the year. Nothing better. Nice place to warm your bones when you come home cold and tired.